Hey friends, if you wish to disable the online speech recognition feature in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, earlier it was just speech recognition, but now it's online speech recognition. This is a very dangerous feature. If it is activated by default, it is not. But if it is activated on your system, then it's a very dangerous feature. Why? Because Microsoft will keep a copy of everything that you talk about on your system if it is connected to the internet. For example, if I am speaking on the mic right now, Microsoft is recording that. Okay, and its AI technology can use it for a lot of purposes. And this is something that people really need to know, but it's not discussed enough. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now, go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, there's something called a speech. Click on it, and here's a switch. Turn the switch off. I always keep it turned off. There are a few applications which will not work. If I really need to use them, I will turn it off, turn it on specifically while using those applications and never other than that. Okay, if you turn it on, you can read this. Your everyday use of apps that use online speech recognition could improve the accuracy of Microsoft's online speech technology. It literally means that they are stealing our voice. They are listening to us, and that is not good. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.